Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to make your email campaigns more engaging and interactive, allowing your subscribers to watch video content directly from their inbox. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns and marketing activities. Now, look at the left navigation panel and click on the Create button. This will open up a menu with various options for different types of campaigns. From this menu, select Email. You'll then see different email types available, so go ahead and choose Regular. This option is perfect for standard email campaigns that you want to send to your subscribers. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose something descriptive that helps you identify this campaign later, then click Begin. This step sets up the foundation for your email campaign and takes you into the main campaign builder. Once you're in the campaign setup, click on Design Email. This action opens up the email editor, which is where you'll build the actual content of your email. The editor provides a drag and drop interface that makes designing emails intuitive and straightforward. In the editor, you'll see various content blocks on the left side. Find the video content block and drag it into your email layout where you want the video to appear. This block is specifically designed to handle video embeds, making the process seamless. Now, switch over to YouTube and open the video you want to embed in your email. Once you have the video playing, look underneath it and click the Share button. This will bring up sharing options, including a URL for the video. Click Copy to copy the video URL to your clipboard. Head back to Mailchimp and locate the video URL field in the video block you just added. Paste the copied YouTube video URL into this field. Mailchimp will automatically process this URL and create a clickable video thumbnail that recipients can interact with. If you'd like to add some context to your video, you can optionally type a caption in the caption field below the video. This is useful for explaining what the video is about or encouraging viewers to click and watch. Finally, click Save and Close to insert the video block into your email. The video thumbnail will now appear in your email design, ready to engage your subscribers when you send the campaign. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a YouTube video in your Mailchimp email campaign, creating a more dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.